Hi, this is Jay. I got this thing fired up. I had to set this thing down because it was actually so hot that it started bending the pipe itself. I was like, wow, it's when you knew it got cooking pretty good. But right now it's running on high. I got a railroad spike in there at the moment. I'm just gonna see how hot I'm gonna get, whether I'm actually got it hot enough to forge with iron. But it's cooking. This thing's fired up. I used Kingsford charcoal in there. Man, this thing is cooking. This thing's on full blast right now as far as the... But if I turn it down, it's still cooking pretty good. I just barely have to have that in that port. It's cooking really good. You can see that fire going. And she's blazing. In a moment I'm gonna pull out, grab a set of pliers and pull that spike out and see how hot she is. But man, you can hear this thing going. Man, I've never seen something run through Kingsford charcoal that fast. Man, that thing had to be cooking real good. Up here, I'm gonna just pull this out to see. As you can see, this thing is red hot. This thing is ready to work on an anvil. That thing's cooking. Man, I'm just about tempted to go grab my anvil. There, I'll pause this for a second. Yeah, I think I might have picked the perfect night for this, man. It's freezing out here. And that furnace kicks up enough heat, man. Now, the spike has gone down a little bit dull, but I'm just gonna set it on there for a second. I just barely even nudged that with my glove. And you can smell that leaf burning. And she's doing pretty good. That's quite a few briquettes I had in there, and now that's just about burnt down to the bottom. It's kicking out a lot of heat. I think it's a success. So later.